Hello beautiful people of the world. Welcome to Vigan Ilocos Sur, Philippines. Along the way, you will see the most famous windmill in the region, which is the project, the most popular project of the Marcos family. That's the windmill. And their father was the late President Ferdinand Marcos, who made a great improvement in the Philippines during his era. So we enjoyed the travel. It's quite warm. It's hot, but it's okay because we had a great time. And we went first to Baluarte. Inside is the zoo, and you can see cute animals, lovely animals. What I like the most is the miniature horse. So there are miniature horses as well as the deers. It's really fun. It was a fun experience, nice one. So those are the miniature horses, and I wish I could have ridden on its back. However, maybe next time, because we were running out of time when we went there. So, and that's the Lion King. The Lion King, kind of scary. And those are some of their famous products, good as tokens. And we went to another location where we had the Kalesa riding. The Kalesa is being pulled by a cute horse. That's it. Afterwards, we went to Bell Tower. That's the bell, and that's the tower, so that's why it's called Bell Tower. And I love that life is like a book. If you do not travel, you read only one page. I like that. That's really true, and that's why I love traveling. I'm looking forward to travel more beautiful, wonderful places in the Philippines and abroad. Along the way, you'll see beaches because the place is a famous place for beaches as well. Thank you for watching. God bless.